How do you want to record your life? Wake up, put on your glasses, and let us take care of the rest. Leveraging eye tracking technology, we've designed an auto screenshot system that analyzes your gaze to identify those precious moments in your day. Then the most advanced GPT model steps in, tagging and categorizing these highlights, seamlessly saving them to your favorite note-taking app like Notion. Whether it's dining with loved ones or browsing a bustling market, our glasses and eye tracking technology record the essence of your life, thoughts, and interests. No more fumbling for your phone, no more endless photo albums to sort through. Just put on your glasses and start your day.